Hello and welcome to the Culinary Exchange. My name is Matthew, and in this video we're making celery root soup in the slow cooker. I have a medium sweet onion which I've halved and peeled. I'm just going to chop it into large chunks. I have 2 celery roots and they weigh about 2 pounds a piece, and I'm just peeling them and cutting them into large pieces. I've transferred my celery root to the bowl of my slow cooker, and to it I'm going to add my chopped onion, a bay leaf, and 4 cups of vegetable stock, and this is ready to cook. I have our celery root soup that's been simmering away in the slow cooker for about 8 hours, and all the celery root's nice and tender. I'm going to remove the bay leaf. It's done its job, and I'm going to blend it up. And what better to blend it up with than stick blender? Into this, we're going to blend in a cup of cream, and then simply season with salt and pepper to taste. It's a quick whip, and our celery root soup is ready to serve. I have a nice big bowl of our celery root soup, and to serve it up I have just a dash of some celery seed, just to give it a little extra celery oomph. I also have just a few rounds of crispy pancetta, which goes nicely with the celery root. If you wish to keep it vegetarian, you can just replace that with some pine nuts. Let's give it a taste. So rich and creamy, and such big celery root taste. Delicious. And there you have it. That's how you make celery root soup in the slow cooker. Hey, for more great recipes and cooking tips, come visit us at theculinaryexchange.com. And before you go, make sure you hit subscribe so you don't miss any upcoming videos. I'm Matthew. Thanks for watching.